Welcome back to another quick video. Today I'm gonna show you how to resolve the problem with the GoPro Quik application. A couple of weeks ago I noticed that whenever I run the application or whenever I connect my GoPro to my computer, the application keeps crashing. I'm running Windows 10 and I came up with a quick solution. That's why I'm sharing it with you guys. Please don't forget to support my channel by subscribing. I'm running Windows 10 and I have the GoPro Quik application installed on my computer. So all I need to do to find the shortcut in my desktop, if you don't have the shortcut in your desktop, you can create one by going to the original source wherever it's installed. Right click on the shortcut, go to properties, and here you will have a couple of tabs, and compatibility tab is one of them, so you need to click on this tab. Down here you have the compatibility mode, so you need to check mark this. When you're opening this, for you it's not, none of these boxes are checked, so you need to check this box here. So my recommendation is go with Windows 7 first, see if it works for you. If it still crashes, then you can go to Windows 8. Again, I'm recommending Windows 7 first because I believe that Windows 7 is the most reliable Windows ever. So you can try Windows 7 first, and if it still crashes, you just go to Windows 8. I tried Windows 7 and it crashed on me again, then I chose the Windows 8 here. And then down here you see you have a couple of other boxes. So I always check this box. It is not mandatory, but if you want to do that, you can run this program as an admin, it says. So you can check this box as well. Even if you don't check this box, it still should work. And then hit apply and then OK. Now if you double click the GoPro Quik application, the application pops up and no problem. The problem is resolved. It doesn't crash anymore. Okay, I'm closing this one now. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.